Okay. So in the chapter of atomic structure, first we have started with discovery of fundamental particles. We have seen the discovery of electron, proton, neutron. After that, we have seen atomic models. Can you think of any formula which we need to remember in discovery of fundamental particles? Anyone? Everyone, please put their video on. Everyone, please put their video on. Yeah, Ayush, you are saying something.
Sir, E by M ratio.
E by M ratio का वो जो order है ना, you can remember that order. वो formula कुछ नहीं है, you can remember the order if you want. और else exam में तो आप लोग calculate कर सकते हो E by M ratio का order. Which has the least? Neutron less than alpha particle less than proton less than electron. Okay, you can solve this. But this is the most standard question. If you remember the order, you can directly mark the answer. इनके अलावा you can remember source for cathode rays and anode rays. Cathode rays के source क्या होगा? Anode rays के source क्या होगा? What is the source of cathode rays?
Sir, metal plate and that gas molecule.
Air.
Metal plate as well as gas atoms. Very good. What is the source of anode rays?
Gas atoms.
The gas atom. Okay, very good. With respect to E by M ratio, E by M ratio of cathode rays, is that a constant or a variable?
Constant.
It is always constant. Very good. E by M ratio of anode rays,
Variable.
Variable.
variable, and with hydrogen atom, That
Maximum.
maximum. Very good. Okay. After that, we have seen atomic models. In the atomic models, we have seen J.J. Thomson's model first. उसके बाद Rutherford देखा. Rutherford model में भी आपको एक data याद रखना important है, which is the relation between volume of the atom to the volume of nucleus, or the volume of nucleus upon volume of atom. The radius of atom is of the order
10 raised to minus 10.
10.
Very good. The radius of nucleus is of the order
10 raised to minus
Minus 15 meters.
15.
10 raised to minus 15 meter. Volume of nucleus upon volume of atom. ये कितना होगा?
10 to minus
45.
minus
10
10
raised
is
to
minus 45.
minus 5.
divide किया मैंने already. Volume of nucleus upon volume of atom. It is 10 raised to minus 15. Agreed? Volume. It's not the radius ratio. It is the volume ratio. Okay.
Okay.
ठीक. This Maxwell's theory of electromagnetic radiation के बारे में पढ़ा. Ford couldn't explain the stability of the atom based on electromagnetic wave theory. Okay, as for electromagnetic wave theory, we have some formulas. The important formulas are:
E is equals to H nu.
सबसे पहले C is equals to nu lambda.
Nu lambda.
Nu lambda 1 by lambda termed as nu bar.
Yes.
1 by time period is equals to frequency.
Frequency.
All electromagnetic radiations travel with a constant speed of 3 into 10 power 8
Meter per second.
per second. इसी में want to know energy of photon. What is the formula for energy of photon?
E is equals to h nu.
is equal to h nu.
E is equals to h times nu. Let us write different forms of it.
E is
Is-
equal to h
H
by
c
lambda.
by lambda.
or it is
H c
times
bar mu bar.
nu bar.
the value of h is
6.6 minus 30.
Power minus 34.
34
34 joules second.
Joule second.
Value
Yeah.
of- The value of hc is
2 into 10 power minus
Power minus
2 into 10 raised to minus
25 joule
Yes, sir.
meter.
meter.
Okay.
Okay. उसके बाद Einstein's equation for photoelectric effect. Okay, tell me the equation for photoelectric effect. E incident is equal to E threshold
Plus kinetic
plus
energy.
kinetic energy.
maximum kinetic energy of the emitted electron. Okay, maximum ये threshold को you can also call this as work function.
Work function.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are the different forms you can write?
We can substitute h nu.
H into nu I is equals to h nu naught
H nu naught plus kinetic energy.
Kinetic energy.
kinetic energy. Okay, similarly hc upon
Uh,
lambda incident
incident.
is equals to hc upon lambda naught plus
That's fine.
A max.
k max. Okay, this equation will be valid if and only if nu or else E incident is greater than or equals to E threshold. तभी होगा,
Acha.
right? If E
Yeah.
instant is less than E threshold, you won't be having this equation. There won't be any photoelectric effect only.
Yes, sir.
Agreed? Okay. Similarly, ये जो equation है, ये valid होने के लिए new instant has to be
Greater than
greater than or equals to nu naught. इसके लिए lambda incident has to be less than or equal to.
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि nu and lambda are inversely proportional. Lambda, if it is less than that of lambda naught, then only there can be high energy or there can be photoelectric effect. Agreed? Any
Yes.
doubt, anyone? Fast. Any doubt?
No,
सर
Yeah, tell me.
सर आपने कहा था कि
Yes,
जब हम एनर्जी को ज्यादा डालेंगे तो जितना हम ज्यादा डालेंगे वो काइनेटिक एनर्जी से बाहर आएगा ना, तो जब हम इक्वल डालेंगे तब क्या होगा?
Then the electron will be just coming out without any kinetic energy. Zero होगा. Zero kinetic energy से बाहर आएगा. But because of the potential difference applied, the electron will be accelerated towards the positive terminal. Okay?
ओके
इसी में आपको स्टॉपिंग पोटेंशियल करके एक क्वेश्चन आता है. आप लोग नरेंद्र अवस्थी देखो तो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन स्टॉपिंग पोटेंशियल में आपको दिखेगा. What is meant by stopping potential? What is meant by stopping potential? The electron is coming out with some kinetic energy. You need to apply a voltage in opposite direction. If you are applying a voltage in opposite direction, the electron won't be reaching that particular positive plate. Okay. No, you need to apply the opposite direction. Na? The electron won't be approaching the negative plate. Okay, because of the repulsive forces. There is a negative plate here. The electron is ejected out with some kinetic energy. If you are applying a voltage opposite to the direction of motion of the electron, what will happen? The electron won't be reaching this particular negative terminal. For that, they will be asking what is the voltage that is required. What is the answer for that? What is the answer for that? How to solve that? The kinetic energy attained by any charge, the kinetic energy attained by any charge Q dropped in a potential of V voltage कितना होता है?
QV.
Q times V. So this kinetic energy, this amount of kinetic energy will be attained by charge Q. So if you want to nullify that Ke, you need to apply the reverse voltage or reverse polarity, and it will be attaining kinetic energy QV. Agreed?
Yes.
So what you need to do is, वो जो Ke max है, you need to equate this to Q times V, where Q is the charge of electron. Which is equals to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb substitute करना है आपको. Okay, Ke max के लिए फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? What is Ke max? H times nu incident minus H times nu naught. Okay,
Okay.
I hope this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes they will ask you to plot the graph. So H into nu incident minus H times nu naught, I can equate this to E times V. So V क्या हो जाएगा? V is equals to H upon E times nu incident minus nu naught. Okay. If you want to plot the graph for this, कैसे दिखेगा? Is the slope negative or positive? This is similar to ये y axis में plot करो, equals to mx plus c. What is the value of slope here?
M.
H upon E.
Check on you.
What is the value of c here? Minus H upon E times nu naught. Okay, minus H nu naught upon E. So the slope is a positive value, but the intercept c is a negative value. So how will the graph look? It looks something like this. There's a particular line here. It will be touching the y-axis at this point. What is going to be this value? This value is minus
Nu
H
naught.
nu naught upon E. इसका slope क्या होगा?
M.
H by
M, which is H upon E. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. After this, after the concept of photoelectric effect, we have gone to Bohr's theory.
Yes.
What are the different formulas from Bohr's theory? Basic formula is from quantization of angular momentum.
We are
M
NH by
and H upon 2
2
pi.
pi.
इसी में you can also mark. बाद में mark कर लेते वो. MVR is equals to NH upon 2 pi. Or radius Rn is equals to 0.529 times
9
N
And
square
square by Z.
n square by z.
by Z angstroms में, और Rn is proportional to n square
Square by z.
or Rn1 upon Rn2 is equals to n1 square upon Z1
Z1.
into
Z2 square upon it.
Z square upon n.
Z2 upon n2 square. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. इसके बाद
well answered.
Vn is equals to 2.165
into 10 power 6
10 power 6 times
Z by N.
Z upon n meter per second. Okay, or Vn is proportional to
Or Z by N.
Z upon n. or Vn1 upon Vn2 equals to Z1 upon N1 into N2 upon
Z2.
Z2. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
ये वेलोसिटी हो गया. उसके बाद आपको एनर्जी, टोटल एनर्जी En is equal to minus 13.6
Minus 13.6
into
Z
Z square
Z
upon
square by
N
N.
square electron volt. You need to know application of all these formulas. I hope you know that,
हाँ,
Yes.
sir.
which is equal to minus RH Z square upon N square,
Yes, sir.
or En is proportional to
Z square
Z
by
square upon N square. और क्या लिख सकता हूँ? En1 upon En2 equals to Z1 square upon N1 square into N2 square upon Z2 square. Any doubt,
Yes.
anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. इसी में most important, kinetic energy is equal to minus total energy.
Total energy.
Okay,
Yes.
total energy or 2
Potential
times
energy.
total energy is equals to
Potential energy.
potential energy. Agreed? Any doubt?
No,
Okay. Any other formula?
sir, वो K Q1 Q2 by R is
Q1.
equal to in
K
this way.
Q1 Q2 upon R square यूजुअली वो क्वेश्चंस में इन जनरल दिखता नहीं है आपको, वो डेरिवेशन के लिए हमने यूज किया है. चाहो तो वो भी लिख लेंगे. mvr equal to nh upon 2 pi में ही
सर वो डेल्टा x इंटू डेल्टा v.
वो लिखेंगे आगे. K Q1 Q2 upon R square F centripetal. Okay. You can write this frequency of revolution electron. एक इसके प्रोपोर्शनल है, frequency is proportional to
T square by
Z
Z
square upon
square
N
by
cube.
N cube.
Z square
N
upon
upon Z square एक बार बता लेना.
No, sir. Z square upon N cube.
पक्का?
हाँ, sir. मैंने
Then it is Z square upon N cube. Frequency है तो time period will be proportional to
N cube by Z square.
N cube upon Z square. Agreed? और frequency जो है it will be proportional to Vn upon Rn. Agreed? Vn is proportional to Z upon N, Rn is proportional to N square upon Z. So overall आपको Z square upon N cube आएगा. Agreed? Any doubt?
no, sir.
Okay. ये कैसे लिखा? Time period is 2 pi R upon V. Frequency is V upon 2 pi R. So proportional to Vn upon Rn. Okay. Okay, everyone.
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
फ्रीक्वेंसी अभी भी हम बोर्ड्स थ्योरी में ही है, इसमें और फॉर्मूलाज भी हम लिस्ट आउट करेंगे.
Okay.
फॉर ट्रांजिशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, फॉर्मूलाज फॉर ट्रांजिशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. इनमें डेल्टा E इक्वल्स टू En2 minus En1, which is equals to RH Z square times 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square.
2 square.
Always N1 is equals to lower orbit, always in formulas में. N2 will be equal to higher orbit. Clear है?
Yes.
Let's also write 1 by lambda is equals to RH अपॉन HC, मैं तो इसको R जैसा ही लिख लेंगे, नीचे लिख लेते हैं, R Z square times 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square, where R is equals to RH upon HC.
HC.
Is the value of R 1.097 into 10 power 7 meter inverse. Is that clear? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. After this, we can talk about hydrogen spectrum.
सर आयोनाइजेशन ऑफ एनर्जी वापस एक बार एक्सप्लेन करोगे प्लीज?
Okay. इसमें आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी मार्क नहीं किया हमने, वो भी मार्क कर लेते हैं. We also have ionization energy. What is meant by ionization energy? The amount of energy required to remove the electron present in a given orbit. Okay. If the electron is present in nth orbit, what is the energy of the electron? Minus RH Z square upon N square. I need to take this electron to infinite distance, where the energy of the electron at infinite distance becomes equal to 0. In order to equate this to 0, अभी electron यहाँ पे है, in order to make the electron's energy 0, what should I do? I need to impart energy x, which is equal to plus RH Z square upon N square. क्योंकि ये दोनों को ऐड करो, माइनस और प्लस क्या हो जाएगा? 0 हो जाएगा ना?
हाँ.
That is nothing but the ionization energy. Yeah, Papa?
हाँ सर.
Okay. So ionization energy is nothing but the energy of the electron taken as positive. Minus 13.6 है तो plus 13.6 will be the ionization energy. Minus 3.4 है तो plus 3.4, so on so forth. Agreed?
मतलब साइन जस्ट चेंज करना, मतलब
बस आपको 0 करना है. 0 करने के लिए उसका ही पॉजिटिव वैल्यू ऐड किया तो 0 होगा ना?
हाँ सर.
ओके. ओके. हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम में सबसे पहले आपको इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स, you need to know different series. You need to know what is meant by Lyman series, what is meant by Balmer series, Paschen, bracket and fund. So यहाँ पे डायग्राम ही ड्रॉ करके मैं डायग्राम में ही सब कुछ मार्क कर लेता हूँ. ओके. What is Lyman series, everyone? n equals to 1 मान लेते हैं, a2, a3, 4. Am I audible, everyone? 5.
यस सर.
Consider this as infinite. Okay. Or let us consider that as some n. That n can be infinity too. Let this be n. Then can be any value. Okay. It can be infinite, it can be 6, it can be 7, it can be 8, it can be anything. What are Lyman series lines? All the lines coming from n equals to n2, or all the transitions of electrons from n equals to n to n equals to 1. They come under Lyman series. Agreed? You have different transitions possible whenever the electron is coming from the higher orbit to lower orbit. The lower orbit can be 1, the lower orbit can be 2, so on so forth. The electrons which are jumping onto 1 can jump from orbits above it. Matlab it can jump from 5, it can jump from 2, it can jump from 4, or it can jump from infinity. So all these set of lines are having a common endpoint. The endpoint is n equals to 1. Okay. I'm considering all these as some specific set, and that particular set of lines are called as Lyman series lines. Okay. If it is hydrogen spectrum, in case of hydrogen spectrum, this belongs to UV region.
UV ray.
Okay. If it is not hydrogen atom, if it is any other atom. Okay. If it is any other atom, in that case, is this visible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. If it is any other atom, in that case, ये जो particular hydrogen spectrum, sorry, ये जो particular UV region है, it need not be UV region. Okay. It can be different. It can be X-ray as well. Hydrogen atom में वो जो energies है, they fall in UV region. दूसरे atoms में energies, they may not fall in UV region, they may fall in X-rays, Lyman series. Only in hydrogen atom, they belong to UV region. याद रखना. I hope that's clear. Okay. Next, Lyman series के बाद
Visible.
visible, right?
Balmer.
Which is Balmer series. Okay. For Balmer series, the transition is can be from n equals to n to n equals to 2. All these lines belong to series called Balmer. Okay. इन्हीं में आपको और भी चीजें क्या याद रखना है? This belongs to visible. This line is referred to as first line. ये जो है, this is called as second line. This will be called as third line, so on so forth. Agreed? The first line is also called as alpha line. इसको हम और भी नाम देते हैं alpha, beta, gamma. Either you can call them as 1, 2, 3 or alpha, beta, gamma. Okay? Any doubt?
Sir, can you explain again?
Okay. What I'm saying is, ये जो पहला line जो भी दिख रहे, which is 3 to 2, it is called as the first line. पहला line है ना, ये second line, ये third line. The line which is coming from infinity to 2, that will be the last line. उसके अलावा और कुछ line हो सकता है? No, that particular line is called as series limit. N is equals to infinity से n equals to 1, या n equals to infinity से n equals to 2. All these line are the series limits. उस particular series के limit. Okay. Any doubt? So they will ask you what is the wave number for the series limit of Balmer series. Then you need to find the wave number for the transition n equals to infinity to n equals to 2. Is that clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. उसके बाद Lyman series, Balmer series के बाद passion है ना? This is called as passion. This belongs to near infrared. मतलब ये सब infrared regions ही है. Next वाले जो भी रहेंगे. Bracket series belongs to mid infrared, mid IR.
Yes. Far
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
बस इतना ही याद रखना है इनमें. You can calculate the wave number of any transition using the same formula again. 1 by lambda is equals to r times z square into 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. n1 for Lyman series will be 1, n1 for Balmer series will be 2, passion के लिए 3, इसके लिए 4, इसके लिए 5. Clear है? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next hydrogen spectrum के बाद we have
So that wavelength and energy is like according to the spectral lines.
sorry, once again repeat.
So like wavelength and energy decrease or increase from left to right, that we can also write.
That also we can write. ये जो particular wavelength है, as you go from first line to the last line, what will happen to the wavelength? The wavelength decreases and the energy increases. Okay. This has the series limit has highest energy order. Any particular series में, if I want to mark the energy order, first line will be having lesser energy when compared to second line, when compared to third line, so on and so forth. Agreed? Okay. This is energy order in a given series. कोई भी एक series को पकड़ के. I am comparing only these lines. If I compare these lines, इसका first line will be having lesser energy when compared to second line, third line, so on and so forth. Any line of the Lyman series, any of the transition of the Lyman series will be having greater energy when compared to any of the transition of visible or Balmer series. क्योंकि all of these lines belong to UV region, these lines belong to visible region. Visible region have lesser energy when compared to the UV region, right? Okay. Okay. उसके बाद de Broglie's hypothesis. इसमें क्या पढ़ा हमने? Lambda is equals to, this is lambda of matter is equals to h upon mv, which is equals to h upon p, which is equals to h upon root over 2 ke times m, which is equal to h upon root over ke is equals to charge times potential difference into m. Any doubt? Okay, these are the different forms of de Broglie's wavelength. इसी में हम ये भी मार्क कर सकते हैं, first orbit. In first orbit, electron will make one wave, right? Second orbit में two waves. In nth orbit, what are the number of waves made by electron in nth orbit?
N number of waves.
N waves. Okay. nth orbit का radius Rn है तो 2 pi Rn must be equal to n lambda n times h upon mvn. From this I can write mvn Rn is equals to nh upon 2 pi. This is how we derive that. Agreed?
Yes.
I hope this is clear, everyone. Different forms of de Broglie. You need to remember this. After de Broglie, we have Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. What are the important formulas from this? Delta x times delta p is greater than or equals to h upon
4 pi.
4 pi, or delta x times delta v is greater than or equals to h upon
4 pi m.
4 pi m. ओके, इसी में h/2 को क्या लिखेंगे? h bar. Okay, so I can also write this as h bar upon 2, which is equals to h bar upon 2m.
2m.
Agreed? Everyone, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is about uncertainty. इसके बाद immediately we will go to quantum mechanical model. Let me know if I forgot any formulas. Okay, quantum mechanical model, इसमें what is psi? Psi is nothing but electron as a wave. Everyone in the lecture,
Yes, sir.
what is psi square?
Probability density.
Which is equals to probability by
Upon volume.
volume. Okay, good.
Your phone has no data connection, so I can't help you with that at the moment.
Minute. Yeah. What is, okay, on solving psi, what do you get? What do you get on solving psi?
Quantum numbers.
Okay, very good. What all quantum numbers do you get?
Principal quantum number, methyl quantum number, and magnetic.
Very good. You will get only 3 quantum numbers. Principal quantum number denoted by symbol n, azimuthal quantum number denoted by symbol
L.
L,
Magnetic.
M.
denoted by symbol m subscript L. M, okay, कभी कभी ml. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, important है. बाकी भी quantum numbers n जो है, it will give you information about size as well as energy.
Yes.
Okay, L जो है and the values of it, इसी में मार्क कर लेते हैं. What are the values of n?
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, so on. Okay, L जो है, this will give you information about,
Shape of orbital.
very good, shape of orbital. Values
0, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4 up to n.
0 to n minus 1. Okay, the shapes है, s orbital shape will be
Circle.
Spherical.
spherical, p will be
Dumbbell.
Dumbbell.
dumbbell, d
Double dumbbell.
Double dumbbell.
double dumbbell,
Sir, you are not audible.
Give me 2 minutes. It got disconnected. I am asking what is the order of penetration power of these orbitals? We have different orbitals S, P, D, F. S is spherical, P is dumbbell, D is double dumbbell, F is complex. I am asking you what is the order of penetration power? मतलब क्या है? In which particular orbital the electron will be present more close to the nucleus? Will that be in S, P or D or F? यहाँ पे लिखा मैंने order of penetration power. NS greater than, NP greater than, ND greater than NF. मतलब क्या है? If an electron is present in S orbital, it will be present more and more close to the nucleus when compared to present in P, D and F. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. इसके बाद ये हो गया L के बारे में. If you are having ML, ML किसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन देता है?
Orientation of orbital.
Very good. Orientation of orbital, or it gives us information about magnetic nature of electron in the specific orbital. Hence it is also called as magnetic quantum number. And with the help of this L के वजह से you can also calculate a quantum number called angular momentum, called orbital angular momentum.
Yes, sir.
यही पे लिख लेते फॉर्मूला. Orbital angular momentum. What is the value of orbital angular momentum?
H upon 2 pi into square root of L plus
Root over L into L plus 1. Okay, if you know the value of L, you can calculate orbital angular momentum. Is this fine? Okay. What is the range of ML? Values क्या होगा?
Minus L2 plus L.
L.
minus L2 plus L.
Minus L2 plus L. What is the last quantum number? MS,
Spin quantum.
Number.
which gives us information about spin.
It is hypothetical.
It is a hypothetical quantum number. Good. The values can be minus half
Or
Plus.
plus.
or plus half. Okay. After this, what do you have? Quantum mechanical model में. After this, you need to know how to mark the electronic configuration. इनके अलावा, before that, for single electron species, what is the order of energy? Ns will be equal to, Np will be equal to, Nd will be equals to Nf. This is for single electron species. For multi-electronic species, Ns will be less than NP less than ND less than NF. Agreed?
Yes.
Okay. After this, इसके बाद और क्या चाहिए हमें? और कुछ फॉर्मूलास? इसके बाद in the electronic configuration, you need to know about different rules. What are the different rules we have or principles? One is Aufbau principle. And the other is Pauli's
Extension rule.
extension, nahi, exclusion.
Sorry, exclusion.
Pauli's exclusion principle. The last is Hund's rule.
Hunts.
They will give you different आपको homework में भी दिया है. They will give you different configurations and they will ask you which of the following configuration violates Pauli's exclusion principle, which of the following violates Aufbau principle, which of the following violates Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, can you re-explain the Pauli's exclusion principle?
Okay. Aufbau principle में आपको याद क्या रखना है? You just need to remember n plus L rule. What is n plus L rule? जिनका n plus L value कम रहेगा, that will be having the lower value of energy. If two orbitals have same n plus L, the one having lower value of n will be having lower energy. ये हो गया Aufbau principle. Pauli's exclusion principle में क्या होगा? No two electrons can have same set of all four quantum numbers. बस इतना ही. कोई भी दो इलेक्ट्रॉन के लिए सारे 4 क्वांटम नंबर सेम नहीं रहेंगे. If the 2 electrons are present in same orbital, 3 quantum numbers will be same, which are principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, and magnetic quantum number. N, L और ML same रहेंगे. So in order to differentiate between these two, the spin quantum number will be different. एक plus half है तो दूसरा minus half रहेगा. Agreed? Everyone. बस इतना ही है. Pauli's exclusion principle. Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. ये क्या होगा? Yeah. Any doubt? कार्तिक बताओ. Karthik, any doubt?
No, sir.
Pairing happens only after all the available degenerate orbitals what is meant by degenerate orbital?
Orbital having same energy.
Are filled at least once. Okay, pairing happens only after all the available degenerate orbitals are filled at least once. Is that clear? Also, the singly occupied orbitals will be having parallel spins. Okay.
सर
Yeah, tell me.
सर अगर एक ही मतलब एटम का ये दिया है मतलब इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन तो उससे हम कैसे डिसाइड करें कि पॉलीज एक्सक्लूजन प्रिंसिपल वायलेट हुआ है या नहीं?
अगर किसी में ऐसा कुछ दिया है ये दो कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस दिया है. Out of these two, which is violating Pauli's exclusion principle? ये वाला ना, because both the electrons are having similar spins, so all the four quantum numbers will be same. In this case, opposite spins, so they will be having different quantum numbers. समझा? आपको होमवर्क
sir.
में दिया है मैंने क्वेश्चंस, आपको होमवर्क में इसलिए होमवर्क क्वेश्चंस दिया है. अटेम्प्ट किया है सभी लोग? बीच में गैप भी आया, आपको संडे आया था.
Yes.
हाँ सर.
Okay. Parallel spins in singly occupied orbitals. Any doubt, anyone? Okay. उसके बाद what are the formulas we have? We have a formula for spin angular momentum. सबसे पहले total spin, you can write the formula for total spin. You can write this formula for spin angular momentum. You can also write the formula for spin magnetic moment. Spin magnetic moment. What is the formula for total spin? It is number of unpaired electrons into half.
Yes, sir.
What is the formula for spin angular momentum? H upon 2
2
pi
pi
into root over
S into S plus 1.
is the total spin है, that is only equal to S. Okay. Spin magnetic moment root over
N into N plus 2.
units
Bohr magneton.
Bohr magneton. Any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. I think most of the formulas we have listed. इनके अलावा और कुछ है इस चैप्टर में? Anyone? आपको कुछ याद आ रहा है तो बताना, नोट करता हूँ. बस इतना ही क्या? Any other formula? No? Okay.
No, sir. No.
नोड्स का फॉर्मूला.
कौन सा?
नोड्स.
नोट्स या ओके ओके, आप नोट्स बोल रहे हैं क्या? मुझे नो नो करके सुनाई दिया. ओके, नोट्स. सबसे पहले ये जो फॉर्मूला में नोट्स पर ऑर्बिटल ही मार्क करते हैं हमेशा हम. व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ नोट्स? रेडियल और we also call it as spherical.
Yes.
Planar, which is also called as angular. Okay. The formulas are number of radial nodes is equals to
N minus L minus 1.
n minus L minus 1. Remember this. This is for एक ऑर्बिटल के लिए ये फॉर्मूला.
हाँ.
तो सबशेल में कितना ऑर्बिटल्स रहेंगे उससे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा आपको. सबशेल में टोटल नोड्स पूछा तो. एग्रीड? प्लेनर नोड्स के लिए फॉर्मूला L पर ऑर्बिटल्स. एनी डाउट?
No, sir.
What is the formula for total nodes per orbital?
N minus 1.
Equals to n minus L minus 1 plus L which is equal to n minus 1. Okay, which is independent of the nature of the orbital, or d ho, f ho, g ho, s ho, p ho. The total nodes per orbital will be independent of the nature of the orbital. It is always equal to n minus 1. If you know the total nodes per orbital, the total number of orbitals are n square. N square into n minus 1 will become the total nodes per shell.
Yes.
Okay, number of orbitals into number of nodes per each orbital will give you the total number of nodes per shell. Okay, इसके अलावा और कुछ बचा? Done.
The number of electrons in particular orbital.
नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, हाँ, नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, नंबर ऑफ सबशेल्स, ये सब भी मार्क कर सकते हैं फॉर्मूला से हम लोग. देख चलो ये भी मार्क कर लेते हैं. नंबर ऑफ सबशेल्स इक्वल टू number of orbitals equal to number of electrons in a shell equal to कितने होंगे? Number of subshells equals to value of n, number of orbitals is equals to n square,
Squared.
number of electrons will be equal to 2n square. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. और कुछ और? Any other formulas? Do you remember any other formula?
Sir, number of orbitals is 2l minus 1 also, no?
नंबर ऑफ ऑर्बिटल्स इन ए शेल हो गया ये ना. सही है, तुम जो भी बोल रहे. नंबर ऑफ ऑर्बिटल्स इन ए शेल, इन ए सबशेल इट विल बी
12 plus 1.
2l plus 1. ओके, वो भी मार्क कर ले क्या?
हाँ सर.
हाँ सर.
नंबर ऑफ ऑर्बिटल्स इन ए सबशेल इक्वल्स टू कितने हैं? 12 plus 1. Any more formulas? If you are done with all formulas, please solve this question. किसी ने एक डाउट जैसे पूछा है, please solve this question. Find maximum number of electrons क्वेश्चन ये नहीं है. Find number of electrons, maximum नहीं, find number of electrons whose quantum numbers satisfy n plus l equals to 7. N plus l must be equal to 7. You need to find total number of electrons that satisfy this condition first. Solve this. Is the question clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, solve this. व्हाट्स द आंसर? 32 करके बहुत सारे लोगों ने कहा 32. N plus L has to be 7. क्या क्या वेरिएशन हो सकता है? अगर everyone in the lecture, yeah, if n equals to, suppose मान लेते हैं n equals to 1 है तो can L be equal to 6?
No.
No, right?
No.
क्योंकि n equals to 1 में you have L equals to 0, बस उतना ही है. Okay, so this is not possible. n equals to 3 पे भी जाते हैं एक बार. L equals to 4 होना चाहिए. ये होगा क्या?
No, sir.
ये भी नहीं होगा. n equals to 4 पे can L be equal to 3?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is possible. n equals to 5 पे L can be equal to 2. Agreed?
Yes.
n equal to 6 पे L can be equal to 1. This is also possible. n equals to 7 पे L can be equals to 0. This is also possible. और एक भी मार्क कर लेते हैं, बीच में एक छोड़ दिया हमने. n equals to 2 किया तो L equals to 5. Is that possible?
No.
No, right? Okay. So n equals to 4 पे L can be equals to 3. L equals to 3 मतलब कौन सा हो गया?
E subshell.
4F हो गया.
No, 4F. Yes, sir. Sorry.
Okay. This is 5D.
5D.
This is
Yeah,
6D. This is 7S.
7S.
What is the maximum capacity of F? You
14.
have 14 electrons, 10 electrons, 6 electrons, and you have 2 electrons. What is the total sum?
32.
Yeah, 32 is right answer. Samjha? They're
Answer.
not talking about ML, or they're not talking about MS, they're talking about only N and L. I hope this is clear.
Yes.
Sir,
Oh, yeah, tell me.
can we substitute L is equal to N minus 1?
Sorry, Niral, once again repeat.
Sir, can we write L is equal to N minus 1 and then solve? We get the same answer.
L equals to the values of L range from 0 to N minus 1, na?
Okay, sir.
0 to N minus 1. You need to see all possible combinations to have N plus L equals to 7. And no combinations exist होना भी चाहिए. N equals to 1, L equals to 6 exist नहीं होगा. I hope this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, anyone? And the total number of electrons will become, the number of orbitals are 32. Electrons will be, sorry, orbitals nahi, directly my electrons find kiya. So these are the number of electrons. So the orbitals will become 16.
Yes, sir.
Okay, they're asking about number of electrons. So the answer is 32. Okay. Any other doubt?
No,
Have
sir.
you solved the homework, everyone? आप लोग homework questions attempt किया?
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा सॉल्व किया, थोड़ा बचा.
Okay, take some more time. I am ending the lecture today.